Namaste everyone. Today I will show you how to download the Oracle VirtualBox and install in the Windows 10. So let's get started. Go to the Chrome browser or any other browser. Just type Oracle VirtualBox download for Windows. Okay, Oracle VirtualBox for Windows, and just click on the third link. So this is a Oracle website, and just click on the this first link, Oracle VM VirtualBox base packages 7.0.10, and just click on this Windows installer here. So once you clicked on that, to start downloading. So but I have already downloaded this file, so I'm not going to download it again. Just I will cancel the download, and I will just directly go to the downloaded files. So after downloading, just go to that folder, and you can see the icon like this, Oracle VirtualBox, and just double click on that icon and click yes. So installation will start. Just click on next and next. So if your C drive is full, means you can just browse and select the different drive also if you want to install in the D drive or in any other drives. So just I will go with the C drive. Just click on next and just click on S, then again S, then just click on install. So now installation has been started. So it will take us some time to install. Then just click on finish. Yeah, that's it. So now it is opened automatically here. So you can see in the taskbar. So now your VirtualBox installation has been completed. Okay.